right, so lesson 46 is about unit pricing, rates, and sales tax. So there's three different things, and we're going to go through each individually. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is a unit price. And a unit price is the cost for a single unit measure of a product. So the cost of a single unit measurement of the product. So our first problem is that we're going to find the unit price for a 24-ounce box of cereal at $3.60. So we want to know the unit price for a 24-ounce box of cereal at $3.60. So what we're going to do is take the information we know and divide it. So we know that a 24-ounce box is $3.60. So we have $3.60. And that is for a 24-ounce box. So if we divide 3.6 into 24, our answer would be 0.15. And 0.15 is for 1 ounce box. So for 1 ounce of cereal, it's 0.15, which in money terms is 15 cents. So basically, they wanted to know how much the cereal was per ounce. So they told us that there's a 24-ounce box of cereal. For the 24 ounces is $3.60. So how much is it per ounce? So we divided the $3.60 by the 24, and we got 0.15 is 1 ounce, which is 15 cents per ounce. We're going to try one more. So this time we need to find the unit price for a 36-ounce box of cereal. And it is $4.50. So we have a 36-ounce box of cereal at $4.50. Again, we take what we know and divide it. So we have 4.5 is going to be divided by 36 because it's $4.56 and 50 cents, in the 36 ounces. We divide that out and we're going to get 0.125. And that is going to be per 1 ounce. So then it is 0.125 per ounce. And because money doesn't go that far, we just round it. So it's so it's 13 cents per ounce. So again, all we did was take the amount that we knew, divided them to figure out how much it was for the smallest unit of that measurement, which would be 1 ounce, 1 pound, 1 gram, whatever it is. We need to figure out how much just 1 is, because that's essentially what the unit price is asking for. It wants to know how much is just 1 ounce of it. All right. So then now we're going to go on to rates. And rates are the ratio of two measurements. So rates are the ratio of two measurements. Okay, so then our first problem, we have that somebody went 84 kilometers in 4 hours. So they went 84 kilometers in 4 hours. We need to know how fast they were going. So what was their speed? If they went 84 kilometers in 4 hours, we need to find out what their speed is. And to do that, we need to basically break it down to figure out how many kilometers there were in 1 hour. And so we would divide what we know, 84 kilometers over 4 hours. And if we divided that, it would be 21. And then we have kilometers over hours. So they're going 21 kilometers per hour. So that's their actual speed that you would have seen on their speedometer. They averaged 21 kilometers per hour. Okay. And our second one, we have 243 miles. Oh, somebody went 243 miles on 4.5 gallons of gas. So they went 243 miles on 4.5 gallons of gas. So we need to know how many miles they averaged per gallon. So how many miles did they get per gallon? All right, so then we take what we know. We know that we went 243 miles on 4.5 gallons of gas. So if we divided that out, we would get 54 miles per gallon. It works kind of like the unit price. We're just trying to break it down. So we just take the information that we knew and divided it out. So we know that we went 84 kilometers in 4 hours. So we have 84 kilometers divided into those 4 hours gives us 21 kilometers per hour. We know that we went 243 miles. We used 4.5 gallons of gas. So how many miles did we get per gallon? So we have miles divided into our gallons. We got 54 miles per gallon. And that's rates. Our last is sales tax. And in order to figure out sales tax, we're going to multiply the full price of the item by its tax rate. So then, let's see, we're going to buy an item for $119.95. So the ticketed price for whatever it is that we're buying is $119.95. And that area has a 6% sales tax. So we want to know how much are we actually going to pay for this item. So in order to do that, we would multiply the full price by the tax rate. So we would have $119.95 times 0.06, because remember that is over 100%, so it's actually 6 over 100, and that decimal is 0.06. And if we multiplied that out, we would get 7.20, and that's actually dollars because this is dollars. So tax is $7.20. So then how much are we going to pay total for the item? All we would have to do now is add our tax to our price. So we would add $119.95 to $7.20. And our total would be $127.15. So that's how much we would actually pay for the item. So the ticket says $119.95. We know tax is 6%. So we multiply the 119.95 by 0.06, because 6% is actually 6 over 100. So the decimal form is 0.06. We get $7.20. We add our tax to our ticketed price to get $127.15. And we're going to try one more. So this time we're going to go to the store and we're going to buy something for $18.95. Something else for $1.89. And one more item for $2.29. And this time the sales tax is 5%. So we have $18.95, $1.89, and $2.29. So we need to figure out how much we're going to spend. So first we need to add up these three items. So we have $18.95 plus $1.89 plus $2.29 is going to give us $23.13. Right. And then we need to figure out the tax. So remember, 5% equals 5 over 100, which is equal to 0.05. So we're going to multiply 2313 times 0.05. And that's going to give us $1.16. So then if we add 2313 and $1.16, we get a total of $24.29. All right, so just a review on sales tax. So we start with our ticketed price of either the single item or all of the items. If it's just one, then we know it's that. If it's a bunch, then we had to add all of that up before we start looking at the tax. Sales tax, the percentage is actually over 100, so we got to convert it to a decimal. So 5 over 100 or 6 over 100 is actually 0.05 or 0.06. We multiply that by our ticketed item or the total of all of our ticketed items. Find out what the tax is in dollar amount. Add the tax to our ticketed, and we get our total of how much we're going to spend for that item or items. And that is all for lesson 47.